In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu to your Canva website. Whether you're looking to streamline navigation or enhance your site's overall user experience, adding a menu is a vital step. So, let's dive into this process together, and by the end of this video, you should be comfortable with creating a functional and stylish menu for your Canva website. First things first, to begin adding a menu, log into your Canva account and navigate to the website project you want to modify. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the familiar Canva editing interface. Take a moment to look around if you haven't visited in a while. The layout might look a little overwhelming if you're new, but rest assured, it's quite intuitive once you know where everything is. Now, let's focus on adding that menu. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a panel with several elements you can use for your design. Locate and click on Elements. This will open up a world of possibilities to style your web page, including various shapes and lines. Here, you'll want to type Menu in the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed menus that you can choose from. Take your time and scroll through the options. Pick a style that resonates with the overall aesthetic of your website. After selecting a menu design, simply click on it, and it will appear on your canvas. Don't worry about the placement just yet, we can adjust that in a moment. Right now, focus on ensuring this menu matches the look and feel of the rest of your site. You can customize the color, adjust the size, and even change any text within it if it's part of a group. Click on the element to bring up the toolbar at the top, which offers options like Ungroup in cases where you need to edit individual elements. Now, this is where you personalize the text. Say, you have Home, About Us, or Contact. These typically guide visitors effectively through your site. Once your menu looks just the way you'd like, it's time to position it. Click on the menu and drag it to where you'd like it to be displayed. The top or side of your web page are popular choices. You'll notice smart guides assist you in aligning it perfectly, which can be incredibly handy to maintain a professional look. For those wanting additional functionality, like linking the menu buttons to different parts of your website or external pages, Canva's link tool is straightforward. Simply highlight the text or click on the button you need to link, then find the link button in the toolbar above. Enter your desired URL or page link, hit apply, and just like that, your menu is functional and ready for visitors. And there you have it, a fully customized menu that not only enhances your design but boosts your website's navigation too. Feel free to preview your site to ensure everything looks and works as expected. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next video.